Hey everybody, welcome back to Writing Automation Scripts. Today, this is episode 10, and we're going to scrape this website, which is our quotes to scrape.com. I'm just going to scrape the quote, the author, and then we're going to do the tags. So there's this list of tags, and that is going to be kind of the unique thing for this episode. So to get started, as always, we're going to open up Automize here, um, and let's just select the tag. So we can see here all these. When we double click on this, item scope looks like that's good. If I unselect, this is like choosing the first one. If I unselect that, we see there's 9 other. So in here, I assume there's 10 on this page. So that makes sense to me. So I'm going to copy this selector. We're going to go to our script. And this is the same kind of script that we had from last time. We have our CSV writer set up with title, price, review. Let's change this from the title, price, review to quote. And instead, let's just do data here for all of these. So this, right, so this is actually title. So this would say quote, author, and here we'll say author. And then this will say tags. So, okay. And let's recopy this. So all of our quotes are going to be right here. So let quotes is going to equal this dot all. Okay. And then let's loop through them like we always do for let I is equal to 0. I is less than quotes dot length. Whoop. Okay. And I don't know why it makes you do the await there. I guess we'll put the await outside. So let quote is equal to quotes I. So we're going to just loop through all the quotes on that screen. Let's close this, clear here. So the quotes that I'm talking about are this exact thing. So I'm going to set that as my root node. So this is the quote that I'm starting from, right? And then we want to just get the title. So here, if we click on that, oops, let's try that again. If we click here and we start at this, I think it's just going to tell me, okay, that makes sense. Item prop.text. Let's get the inner text from there. I'm going to copy that. So text is this, and this would actually say quote dot inner text. Okay. Then we are going to grab the title, which I imagine will say item prop. Yep. Okay, good. That also makes sense. So author. And hopefully you're watching these videos and you're kind of thinking, I think I could probably do that. It seems like the same thing every time. That's kind of the point, right? Eventually you kind of pick up on patterns and and you should be able to kind of follow along and this all makes sense. So again here we're going to do locator tag dot inner text, but in this case remember there's multiple. So I'm going to copy it. This is going to be our tags. So const tags is equal to this. This is going to be dot all. And we want this to be from the quote, right? So this is all of our tags. Now, let's loop through all the tags. So let j is equal to 0. J is less than tags dot length. Okay. Const tag is equal to tags I. Okay. Whoops. And then here we're gonna say const tag text is equal to this, and we're gonna say tag text dot push tag dot inner text, just like before. Okay, so this would be, here's our quote. Whoops, is our quote, our I guess quote text, right? Quote text, author, and then this is our tags. So we can push this, which would be records, right? Because this is going to be our. Oops, I guess we already have it up here. This is what we're going to be writing to our CSV. So at the end, we can do records dot push. Okay, and then we want to match what's up here. So quote, author, and tags. So the quote is going to be our quote text. The author is going to be author. So this is a shortcut, is I can just do this. Whenever you see this, what that means is you're saying author is equal to author, but I'll just leave it as a shorthand like this. And then our tags will just be our tag text, and we're going to join with a comma. So this will take our array and turn it into a comma separated list. And then we'll just write it to our file and then close the browser. So I'm going to run this and we'll be back in 1 second. All right, and we had one small error on here. We missed an await, and this needs to say J. So if we run this, we'll see it'll open up our browser, basically immediately close. When we look at the data, let's go in the editor here. We can see here are our 10 quotes. We have the author, and here are our tags. And from here you could do all kinds of stuff. Split the tags. You could do paging, which we had in a previous video. But yeah, this is kind of how I would just loop through an item inside of an item. So hope you got something out of this episode, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.